There's one in here being tested. Look there. This water thing here.
So they just attach?
Yeah, they just attach the pipes to that. There's one on the back of the Logic and there's another one inside the door. So that's all it needs to do really. And then once it's plumbed up, just turn it on and see. Zanussi. It's not that old, I don't think. About 80.
It could be half an hour to an hour, so then we go down Rackett and have a move down Rackett and then come
Hey,
back.
why don't we bob to Gary's?
Yeah, we could do.
Say what we fed. Just a minute. I wonder if Gary would let us do it. Gary, never thought of him. He's a lovely man, he might let us do it, couldn't he? Have they took your number, Karen, just in case? The lady. Yeah, that Gary could do it, couldn't he? I suppose. Oh. Now this is tilting a bit. Well, that sounds alright when it spins, no bad bearings. Well, we had a very similar one to this just before the one we've got now, and the bearings went on it because it spun too fast. 1400 spin this one, like yours. What's up with Wayne? Head? Must be to do with that thing he had. Poor thing. Just when you want him for something and he's ill. But there's anything. Don't look like to me there's anything in it. Just going round, I think. Put it on cottons. Young one. The older one's his dad, in it, Barry. Oh, I know how old the Chuckle brothers are. Barry's 70 and Paul's 67. Small one. Yeah, the one who was going grey, the small one. And Paul's 67, so Barry's actually older than him. Oh, speeding up again. We could drop, if he lets us test it, Gary could just drive in the gates, couldn't we? And then he could just take it off the van and give it a go. What? How is it now? Well, it's such a nice man, he might do. I don't. Well, he was having his lunch when I was talking to him the other day. Just wait for this to slow down then, and then. So Paul must have just put this going before he went. It's only a 6 kilogram, this washer. Oh, here we go again. I think it's going all the way up to 1400 RPM. Oh. Same maximum speed as yours. It's not like a rocket though, is it? Okay. Do you like that swing? Just a minute, your birthday's coming, isn't it? Has it? Oh, we're in July, aren't we, for God's sake? I'm thinking we're in May. Bloody hell, my brain. Oh, I'm swearing on videos now.